Hey everyone, I am Satyat and today we are going to talk about IoT, the Internet of Things. Now, I know that sounds like a big tech term, but trust me, it's already all around us. From your smartwatches to your smart TVs, even your fitness bands, they are all IoT in action. In this session, I'll break it down in simple terms what IoT really is, how it works, where we use it in daily life, and why it's getting so popular. So, yeah, if you have ever wondered how your AC knows when to cool the room or how your phone tracks your sleep, this is for you. Let's get into it. So, yeah, before we get into all the example and uses, let's first understand what this term actually means. Internet of Things or IoT sounds fancy, right? But really, it's about making normal objects smart using the internet. In the next few slides, I'll break it down so it's super clear. All right, quick recap. What's the internet? It's basically this is invisible network that connects devices like phones, laptops, and smart gadgets. Through the internet, devices can talk to each other, like your smartwatch sending data to your phone or your CCTV sending footage to your app. So, yeah, it's not just for browsing or YouTube, it's the backbone of how smart devices stay connected. Now, in IoT, the things we are going to talk about are real world physical objects like smartwatches, fridges, light bulbs, or even smart dustbins. These objects are called smart because these have sensors, some software inside, and internet connectivity. That means they can collect data like temperature, motion, or location and send it to other devices or to the cloud. Some of them even take action automatically, like a smart bulb turning on when you walk into a room. So, what's IoT in simple terms? It's a network of these smart physical objects, all connected, all sharing data. The idea is that they can monitor things, collect info, and send it somewhere, and sometimes act on it without needing us to do anything. Like, imagine your fitness band tracking your steps, then syncing with your phone, which then gives you insights all on its own. That's IoT doing its job in the background. Interestingly, not everyone agrees with the name Internet of Things. Some experts argue that the term is misleading. It's not just about connecting things, it's about collecting data, making smart decisions, and taking actions. Terms like Internet of Everything or Web of Things have been suggested, but as it happens often in tech, the catchier term wins. So IoT became the standard, and even if it doesn't cover the whole story, let's do a quick activity. Can you guess which of these is not an IoT device? A smart TV, a Wi-Fi enabled light bulb, a USB flash drive, or a smart thermostat? Think carefully. I'll give you 10 seconds for it. Now, hopefully, you have guessed the correct answer. The answer is USB flash drive. Why? Because it doesn't connect to the internet. It doesn't send or receive data remotely. All the other have sensors, connectivity, and automation features. That's the key to being an IoT device. So the correct answer, which of these is not an IoT device, would be USB flash drive. It is not an IoT device. So here's a simple way to understand how IoT works. First, the device senses the environment, maybe temperature or motion. Next, a chip inside processes this data. Then it connects to the internet, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Finally, it acts either by taking action, local action, like turning on a fan, or sending the data to the cloud for analysis. This is what makes your room lights turn on automatically or your smart AC adjusting itself. Smart homes are probably the most visible use of IoT. We have got voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, smart or locks that open with your phone, and thermostats that adjust based on your routine. These devices help save energy, add security, and make life a bit more comfortable. Like you could be away from your home and your uh, uh, things in your home could be automated automatically as per your requirement before you arrive to your home. That's IoT making your home smart. Wearables are another big part of IoT. Think fitness bands, smartwatches, or even smart glasses. These gadgets track your health data like heart rate, sleep, steps, and send it to your phone or the cloud. That way, you get detailed insights without what doing anything. And it's not just fitness. Doctors and hospitals use the data too for remote health monitoring. So yeah, it's useful and life-saving. So what's next for IoT? First, we have got AIoT. That's AI plus IoT, artificial intelligence with Internet of Things, where smart devices not only collect data but also make decisions, smart decisions. Then there's edge computing. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, data is processed closer to where it's collected. That means faster response. And add 5G to this mix. Super fast, low lag communication, and suddenly your car, fridge, and phone can talk to each other in real time. Like imagine a device that has integrated all this, like a car. Your car becomes so smart that it has the connection to of 5G and it processes all the data locally in your car and it has AI systems too integrated in it. So this is the future where we are proceeding right now. Now coming to connectivity options, apart from Wi-Fi and 5G, we have got stuff like LoRa and NB-IoT. LoRa is great for long range, low power communication, perfect for things like weather sensors, farming devices, or smart street lights. NB-IoT, which stands for Narrowband IoT, works over mobile networks and is good for devices that only need to send small bits of data occasionally, like water meters or gas sensors. These options let us connect devices in remote areas or with limited power, making IoT possible everywhere. And finally, with all these connections and data flying around, cybersecurity becomes super important. Stronger security systems are built to keep your data safe from hacks and leaks. So, yeah, the future of IoT isn't just smart, it's faster, safer, and way more connected. All right, that's it for today's session on IoT and how hope that you got a clear idea of what it is and how it's showing up in our lives. In the next session, we will get hands-on. I'll walk you through installing the Arduino IDE and build a small but fun project, blinking an LED using code. So if you are new to electronics or programming, don't worry, it's beginner friendly and super fun. And hey, if you have any questions, doubts, or just want to connect, feel free to feel free to reach out. And you can email me at the ID mentioned on this slide, or hit me up on LinkedIn. It's just Satyar8. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.